whole different feel. That'd probably be the way to do it.
All right. Okay. And that was on. Welcome back to the channel. Gozy here, and we're reporting live from Houston, goddamn Texas. All right, so got the vet in the back. We towed it here with the terrain, and I'm actually standing next to Frank's old car. Even though Frank, owner of RPM, sold it to this gentleman, and he is definitely out here repping the brand. The car definitely looks cleaner in person. All right, LS9 on spray. I think it's making about 1,400, and we are over here. All right, so the key for this trip is gonna be to try to have some fun without getting in trouble. All right, so on my drive here, I was doing research, and honestly, I'm a little paranoid. Read a lot of stuff about other task force from other counties coming in and trying to shut shit down. So hopefully we can leave out of here with our car and the trailer. All right, so we just touched down, and I'm ready to get this night rolling. All right, so we're gonna do a quick walkthrough to see what's on the lot. This is just the Texas 2K Premium, so we'll do a quick walkthrough, see what's on the lot, and hopefully get some runs in tonight. Love the wheels on these. They're like a 17-inch. All right, already getting hot and heavy. Frank's old car. Clean Trans Am. Man, they got a white car lineup going on here. Or GM looks pretty good. This one looks like an LS3, but I could be wrong. Big old turbo on the front.
Red, it's like a faded red.
Clean Super. Where's that Goblin Green? I saw this S197 earlier with some big old turbo sticking out. See if I can find it again. Hopefully he hasn't moved. Oh, found him. It looks beastly, and I don't even like Mustangs. Man, look at that. Look like twin 68s, maybe 63s. Clean setup. Twin turbo, C7Z. I've seen a similar kit in Jacksonville. One of the same kit actually.
It says underground rate.
Sick, clean. You get your C6Z, Holly high ram, hood cutout. Oh, Pro Charge as well. And that is a F1 Charlie, F1C. Nice. It looks like an 8 rib. Yep, 8 rib. Yeah, definitely a lot of cars out here ready to play. I don't know, some of these guys aren't local, probably like me. Drove a lot of miles to be here. Hellcat. Big old turbo on it. Oh, so correct me, I'm pretty sure that's the blower. So does it have both the blower and the turbo? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I wonder what drives what. Hey, it's not done unless it's overdone. That's for sure.
No, there was a small one on the side. There's two.
Oh, when I got here, literally, it was all the way out into the parking lot.
That one still is.
So what's the idea behind the turbo and the blower?
The blower's just gutted. It just runs a turbo. We use it as an air-to-water intake.
Okay.
The factory cooling system.
Okay. So in layman's terms?
There's nothing inside the supercharger. It doesn't spin or
Oh, okay.
It's just turbo.
They just gutted? Oh, okay. So you're using it as like a manifold. Okay,
yeah.
I got you.
And it's got the original coolant bricks from the supercharger, so it's using an air-to-water coolant.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, special edition. Let's see what we got up here. Sheesh. That's nasty. That's nasty. That thing looks good. Big old turbo sticking out the hood. Subaru looks real menacing.
You met with somebody today.
Be lax on all four corners. Hood exit. Distance probably hauls more ass than a woman after she finds out that it's not the father on Murray. And I'm actually considering a all-wheel drive for my next build because struggling with street traction stuff definitely sucks. So tonight we are on our street tune, making a little bit over 1,000. So hopefully we get some kind of traction out of it. Gonna do a couple test passes. I heard that it's gonna be on a concrete road. All right, so do some test passes. If it hooks, we'll keep adding some of that timing back in there until it doesn't hook anymore, and then we'll know where our sweet spot is. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of experimenting tonight. But yeah, made it here, all in one piece, and definitely one of the cleanest vets out here. Proud of my baby. Proud of you.
Like rolling anti-lag, or you just...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and if you go Motec, it's a whole different story. That'd probably be the way to do it. Spend money and go Motec. Did all right.
Okay. And that was on concrete?
That was like asphalt, so it's not even a good. Nice.
Alright guys, get out of the way, please, get out of the way.
Homie drove down from Rhode Island. Another 1,200 horsepower vet. He's running a F1A 94. What motor's in it?
440 LSX.
440 LSX, that's right. Probably running high compression than me because he's making 1,200 with the 94 and not even struggling. So yeah, definitely a stout build. Definitely love it. We have the same wheel setup as far as the rear. I need these because right now I'm still rocking the Poverty Stars on mine. 17 inch. Looks good. Looks fantastic.
It's an S400.
Okay.
I believe it's a 75 millimeter.
75.
T6. 1.32 exhaust outlet.
Okay.
Say from like a 60 roll.
Okay.
If you just lay into it.
Yeah.
It's about 20 mile an hour before it lights.
Okay.
But if you do like a rolling anti-lag or whatever, brake boost is instant.
Okay. And you're making what, like maybe 20 pounds of boost with this right now?
I made a hit on the way here to make 31.
Sheesh.
This gate, no reference, no boost controller, no nothing.
Okay.
So whatever it makes, it makes.
Have you gotten a dyno?
I have.
Okay. What it make on a dyno?
I won't disclose, but it's 4 figures.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So, exhaust routing wise, is it custom?
No, this is my exhaust.
No, I'm talking about headers feeding up to the turbo.
Oh, so that's actually a trick manifold.
Okay.
It's not actually.
And then that's a factory C6 manifold over there.
Okay.
And the crossover goes right up under the bell housing. Crosses over and the two wastegates underneath the car.
Okay. And is that like the lowest hanging point of the car right now?
Yes, that is the lowest part of the car.
Does it fuck it up sometimes?
Not really. So it doesn't look like it, but my car, it's actually lifted an inch.
Okay.
The whole car is.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, that definitely kind of helps then.
The car's been on fire 5 times.
Oh shit! Chill out.
Motor. I mean.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it'll definitely give me like an idea. Okay. Okay.
It's a manifold for like a Silverado truck.
Right.
I only have that one. It's closed loop. I have no active O2 sensors.
Okay, closed loop. But then wouldn't that be open loop? Like spin density? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, what?
Sorry.
Okay. All right.
So I got 1200cc injectors.
Yeah.
I'm sure you already know all this. You have to scale the computer, so the computer thinks I have 66-pound injectors.
Right.
Because it won't read. So like timing retard, we actually dropped it down, made it go lean, and it pulls 22 degrees of timing through the IAT sensor.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm running no reference.
Yeah.
For the boost, there's nothing.
So all the boost it can make.
Yeah.
Sheesh. And the motor will take it.
It's a stock Bottomman LY6.
Stock Bottomman LY6.
Iron block 6.0. Yeah.
Out of a
2018 U-Haul truck. Paid $1,200 for the motor, sold the heads and the intake for $800.
Dude.
And it's got important polished milled 706 heads off a 2005 Tahoe.
Yeah. Dude.
100% budget built in the driveway, man.
That's nuts, but it works.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's fun.